So, ayan. So, twice a week yung practice ni Kuya Clint. And then, si Nathan naman, once a week lang. And then, every Saturday, may laro sila.
Dad, I'm leaving now.
Okay. Good job, Kuya.
But the train is coming, so I should leave now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Dad, I'm leaving now.
Okay.
Bye.
Be careful.
I know.
Go, hey, go that way.
And guys, hindi na siya magpapahatid kasi mag-ride lang daw siya sa kanyang bike. Ayan. So, first, pinakabahan ako pero kailangan niya mag-practice at gusto din niyang subukan. At si Bunso naman guys, ay nagsimula na yung practice nila. Ayan, kasi mas una nagsimula yung practice nila kaysa kay Kuya Clint. Ayan. So, pagkatapos mamaya dito guys, ay pupuntahan naman namin si Clint. Ayan. Good job!
How long do they take?
Loosen up a little bit. It's gonna be a little grumpy. Okay. There you go.
That's
All
it?
right. So let's do one of these. All right, my friends. You did a great job today. Everybody hands in. Wait. As loud as you can go. All right, guys. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the ball, mate.
Yeah, take your ball. Oh, ayan guys, tapos na yung practice nila Bunso. Ngayon naman ay puntahan natin si Kuya Clint. Lions Park. So, yung hobby ko doon guys, nagpaiwan. Ayaw na niya na mag-walking. So, punta lang tayo doon. Ibig sabihin, malaki na talaga si Kuya Clint. Kinabahan nga lang ako. Kasi kanina may train. Daanan kasi yan ang train dyan guys. Oh. Si Nathan naman, dahil tapos na yung kanyang practice, laro na naman yan siya sa ano. Maglalaro na naman siya dito sa playground. Saan kaya yung bike ni Clint? Ayan siya. So, maganda mag-practice dito guys pag summer kasi very dry siya. Pag winter or spring, hindi pwede kasi maraming tubig dyan. What? Are you there? Oh boy!
And my teammates here too.
Oh my! Have fun!
Wait, you can pass it to me, what?
Andoon si Clint, oh. Yung hobby ko, andoon lang. Under the tree. Ganda dito, guys, oh. Ang lawak ng, ano, taniman dyan. Ano yun siya, guys? Beans. Labitan muna natin. Kasi dati hindi ko rin to alam kung ano to. Pero ano siya, parang sweet peas. Ayan siya guys, oh. Parang sweet peas yata yan eh. Super lawak niyan. Andun pala yung bike niya. Hinahanap po yung bike niya, oh. Andyan pala. So, twice a week yung practice ni Kuya Clint, and then si Nathan naman once a week lang. And then, every Saturday, may laro sila. So, busy pa rin kami. So, ayan guys. So, naghahanda na siya, oh. You go up there, Kuya? Yes. Big boy na talaga ang Kuya, oh. You need help? Hey, Kuya. You need help? It's over there. Are you gonna ride with us?
No, ride on my bike.
You wanna ride on your bike?
Yeah. Can you hold this?
Okay. So, ayaw niya sumakay sa car. Gusto niya mag-bike. Okay. Watch out, Clinton! So, first time niya ngayon, guys. Dati hindi ko yan pinagkakatiwalaan kasi nga natatakot din ako. Si Nathan, parang andito pa yata siya. Ayan, wala na. Saan siya? Wala si Nathan, boy. Andoon na pala kasama yung kuya niya. Doon lang kasi kami doon. Yung hubby ko hindi na pumunta dito. Ayan si Kuya Clint. Wait, mami. Ayaw mag-antay, oh. Nakikipag-racing yan, eh. Ayan, oh. Bilis tumakbo. Ayan, marami pang nagpa-practice doon. Ito mga car yan dito. Ayan na si Clint, nagpaalam sa kanyang daddy. No need to go there. Kuya, be careful. So, nagpaalam yan sa kanyang daddy, guys, kung pwede ba siya mag-bike pa uwi. Oops! Oopsie! Kuya, I'm gonna trust you, okay? You're gonna be careful, okay? Okay, go now. No, you lost.
I didn't go.
Nawawala si Nathan. Are you lost, Nathan, boy? Okay, get in. Kuya.
See, he smiles when he doesn't think about it. A nice smile.
80.
We're telling anyone where I was going. I just went out
Lucas is very proud.
Okay, there's our home.
There you are, Kuya. You made it.